mission to win first place in the musical tradition. High in the Swiss Alps, but it ain't Eurovision. It's the Salzburg Rusic music singing competition festival.
And now, introducing our competitors. Performing nightly at the Abbey, it's Mother Superior and the Bad Habits.
Whoa.
1, 2, 3, 4. Jesus is a biscuit, but I'm suck you up.
Headlining weekends at Salzburger Mary's, their music really slaps. They're the family Von Snaps.
Pine cone?
Yeah. And finally, from Club Anal Vice, the reigning champions for the past 35 years, they never break a sweat. It's the Baroness Bronn and her Baronettes.
What? You expect us to sing for free? Keep it moving.
But there's a problem blowing in the wind for the sisters at the Abbey, and they call the wind
Mariah.
My heels may be high, but my spirit is low. I want to be the star of a brand new badass show. I'm longing to let all my freak out, to seek out adventure that's new and fresh and me.
Quiet, girl. We don't need to hear your life story.
What makes you think you have what it takes to be a bad habit?
Because I can sing 8 octaves, and I look sickening in black. Do I finally get to perform my solo tonight?
How do you tame Mariah? She gets on my nerves, but she's oh so sweet though. She can't just be in the choir. She sings harmonies during all my solos.
Sisters, we were once young queens ourselves.
And the Lord works in mysterious ways.
So do serial killers. She's too much.
How do you tell a drag queen to not go for the splits? How do you tell Mariah to stick to the way it is?
How do you tame Mariah?
How do you tame Mariah?
She gets on my nerves, but she's just
Gets
so
on my nerves,
sweet
but
though.
she's
She
just
can't
so
just be
sweet
in the
though. She can't just be
choir.
in the
She sings
choir.
harmonies during all my solos.
How do you tell a drag queen to not go for the splits? You don't. How do you tell Mariah to stick to the way it is? No. How do you tame Mariah?
Mother Superior, I have a confession.
You know we're not actual nuns, right? But let me guess. There's something you can't face.
What'd you just call me? I feel a calling, and I think it's my inner freak. What should I do?
My child, if there's one thing I know for sure, you can't keep your freak in. You can only let it out.
But
Shh. I was just like you, curious about the great unknown.
But I
I was just like you, so young but so ready to be grown.
It's just that
There's a very big chance that it won't go away. But who am I to say? Find out for yourself.
well, that doesn't sound very inspiring.
Hush, my child, this is my solo. There's a very big chance, a really big chance, an overwhelmingly not in your favor chance that it won't go away. But who am I to say? Find out for yourself.
But I'm afraid I'll never find my tribe. If only the Lord would send me a sign.
Telegram. Von Snap family, stop. Looking for a new lead singer? Stop. Must love freaks and pine cones.
Stop. Don't stop. Maybe the Von Snaps are my tribe. No offense.
Mariah, this is your sign.
Yeah.
Find out for you.
Yeah, I got it. Hello, hello, hello. You must be the Von Snaps. I'm your new lead singer, Mariah Grande. Tell me about yourselves.
My name is Strudel. I like churning butter. Sometimes I doodle and suck goat's udder.
Very farm to table.
My name is Schnitzel and I want to marry, but all the boys tell me my Schnitzel's too hairy.
Oh, that's very personal.
My name is Diesel. I like sitting on pine cones, French kissing kittens and sitting on pine cones and smelling my pine cones and dating my pine
Wow,
cones.
that's very specific. But that's okay. All we need is a little, flash, pizzazz, sparkle.
Oh, so you want us to drag it up?
Where should we start? How about at the very beginning?
That's a very good place to start. Hit it. I'll say a word, then you say the first thing that comes to your mind. When I say that word, yeah, say anything, no, don't you dare think twice. Let's drag this up, let it flow. I'll start and then you go.
Like girl, I'll have some tea. Tea. Like when we're throwing shade. Shade.
My favorite shady tree.
Not what I was thinking, but let's start again with girl. A name like friends call me. Tea. Come sit next to me. Shade.
My other favorite tree.
You really don't get this, but let's start again with girl.
Give me that tea. When I got tea, I'ma throw shade. I'ma throw shade under that tree.
Let's start again with girl.
Girl, give me that tea. When I got tea, I'ma throw shade. I'ma throw shade under that tree.
Let's start again with girl. Tea.
Shade.
Pine cone.
Hey, girls. We couldn't help but overhear your little... Was that a musical number? It was cute.
We're enemies, right? So let us give you the tea.
No one in the Swiss Alps wants to hear whatever freaky music you call that.
You're all 16?
Going on nowhere.
We're actually in our 20s.
So, in conclusion, you should break up.
Break up.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Maybe we'll see you in the next life. So long.
Shalom.
Farewell. We'll see you in hell.
You can't stop us.
Oh, yes, we can. We stole this thingy from your car.
So good luck getting to the Salzburg Rusic Music Singing Competition Festival.
And tournament?
We'll never make it to the competition now.
And now it's time for Mariah and the Von Snap Family Singers. I said Mariah and the family Von Snap. Looks like they're a no-show. I guess that means next up is everybody's favorite nationalist and reigning champions, the Baroness Bronn and her Baroness.
It is my privilege to be with you here this evening. If you're walking through a field of beautiful white flowers, and you see a one-way wet rose that's fragrant and cute, you should go over to that unique and gorgeous wet flower and tear it out by the root. Believe me, how can I be wrong if I'm right?
Is she saying right or white?
Get your friggin' feet off the stage!
Conformity.
I love it!
Uniformity.
Ah, that's a good one too!
Nationality.
My favorite!
Darling.
Bring it home! Believe me, how can I be wrong if I'm right?
did you get here?
It's literally a 5-minute walk. You may have stolen our spark plugs, but you couldn't steal our sparkle.
Actually, we stole your distributor cab. But your wordplay is adorable.
All that matters is that we're here now, and we want to let our freak out.
That sounds vile.
Maybe to you, but one group doesn't get to dictate what's right for everybody. We have a right to sing our own music in our own style. Hit it. What do you do if you can't find your tribe and you don't feel alive and you just want to thrive?
What do you do when you know that you're stuck and you're down on your luck and you just had enough?
Don't be steady or strange. Life is short, do it your way. Oh, if you dance to a different beat and you wanna live your fantasy, baby, it's your time to bloom. Let the freak out in you.
What do you do when you're ready to change and when you finally change, then it all turns out great?
What do you do when you find a pine cone and you love that pine cone and you can't take it home?
Diesel.
What? That's my narrative.
If you dance to a different beat and you wanna live your fantasy, baby, it's your time to bloom. Let the freak out in you.
And the winner is Mariah and the Von Snap.
Yay! Let the freak out. Let the freak out. Let the freak out in you.
So if someone wanted to let out her inner freak, how would she do it? Asking for a friend.
Come on, it's fun. Smell my pine cone.
I'm not there yet.